Hello and welcome to this live. This is going to be a really special one with lots of options in beautiful chinia silk. That's what we're going to be showing you. So I'm wearing the classic new gold and it's a beautiful lovely color that we have that is so versatile. So the theme for today is showing you lots of colors and even motive available in chinia. Now chinia silk is a great piece to be kind of wearing. Versatile hair, soft hair. You can do flowy outfits, you can do straight outfits, all of that is possible. And then because it is the festive season, there is so much all around, the wedding season is there, Eid is there, and generally a lot of, mood is of festivity. So we're going to be, and of course Holi to abhi aa rahi hai, but even beyond that, it's all about some really nice moments that we kind of want to all celebrate. So मैं जो आपको दिखा रही हूँ looks है. And yes, chinia is a pure silk. It's really soft. It's really nice. It's got great sheen. Not too much, not too less. And it's for all seasons. So that's the most important thing. That it's all season fabric. You can wear it anytime. Lining zarur lagaiye because it looks really good. 3250 per meter. That's the price of the fabric I'm wearing. But this is our exceptionally beautiful new design of dupatta that we have launched this year. And yes, it's a less weight, full length, all in karwa, gold zari only, and it's really lovely. This dupatta that I'm wearing is 22,800. This fabric that I'm wearing is 3250 per meter. Or agar aap chahe, I'm going to be showing you some colors in this dupatta, but wear it in contrast. You can see the look. It's absolutely pretty. We can definitely do a same on same, but kabhi this contrast ka maza bahut zyada hai. And in fact, the gold base is a look which is meant to be kind of versatile, which is meant that you can kind of wear it in so many different ways. But another color that looks, of course, same on same hai, but another color that looks stunning on this is a black, and you can see it right here. This absolutely beautiful, black shade of dupatta. Now this is our 32,800. This is pure silk, meenakari, dupatta. And I think it looks so grand, so amazing with this particular shade of gold. So yes, there will be many dupattas for you to pick up. There is fabric, and all of this is, of course, ये जो चिनिया होता है जो हम बनाते हैं वो हम हमेशा डायबल में बनाते हैं. So it is a great way of kind of wearing it in colors that you like. Probably हो सकता है वो particular shade of blue जो आप ढूंढ रहे हो नहीं हो हमारे पास ready, but we will be showing you a lot of colors, and remember we can always dye these. In between, I'm also going to show you some lovely light suits. Okay, now this one is a Munga silk suit. It comes with a dupatta, plain bottom bhi hai isme, aur sab kuch ready hai. This is all ready to be kind of shipped out. Okay, and there you go. This is a great piece. I think it's really nice. It's a hot green color, but because Munga silk hai, it always looks good. Like it's a light wear. Not too much, you don't kind of feel overwhelmed with this at any point of time. So that's the fun of having it. Okay, now we're showing you nice different looks, colors that are all there and that you can be kind of wearing anytime of the year. And we have done small bootas. We're also going to be doing some big bootas. Ab ye jo fabric hai 3250 per meter, and it turns out to be 8125 for 2.5 meter. If you're going to be doing a plain one, then it's going to be 5625 for 2.5 meter. So, boota 2.5 meter or plain 2.5 meter, जिससे आपका एक straight suit बन सकता है, is going to be about 8125 plus 5625, 13,000 something, right? And then you can do any dupatta, okay? We're going to be showing you some really, premium, beautiful ones. We're going to be doing light wearable ones like a tissue dupatta like this. Okay, we've also kind of stopped dyeing now tissue dupattas. The last ones are these, which are already colored for you to see. We are recommending that you wear it in the gold that you do, and that's going to be the best look. So this dupatta is 8,800. With this, I think it's such a pretty and it's such a complete look. So when you want to kind of keep it simple, then it's a great way to kind of wear it. Now, what we have done here is this chinia silk combination with this Munga dupatta. So this is also a look that you can go for. हाँ अगर आप चाहें तो हम आपको मूंगा बूटा कर सकते हैं, that's also possible, which is 3450 per meter. But Today is all about chinia. Today is all about beautiful looks in chinia, which I'm going to be doing and showcasing to you. But when you see a look like this, okay, remember that I'm showing you a peach, but you say, you know, you like green more, then it's definitely doable. I understand the point where you come from, where you say that, you know, it's very easy to visualize if it's a set is made, which is why we've done lots of sets for you that are really easy for you to kind of visualize and kind of do. Okay, let's mix up the colors, and we are doing a range of, like, that was organza. I started out with a georgette one. What a beautiful color. I think this is so pretty. Let's open this now. Even if you do a 5 meters, can we do 3250 into 5? I'll show you that even if you do 5 meters, it's going to be 16,250. So that's the price for 5 meter of this soft, flowy, beautiful fabric. जो मैंने outfit पहना है, and I'm going to show that to you. So you can do like a light dupatta like this even. You know, look at that. This is a linen dupatta and it's with gold zari, and it actually looks really nice. So you can keep it a little casual. You can really make it dressy. Now what I'm wearing is, of course, all buta. This signature buta is also back. I'm also going to be showing you the big butas that we have done recently. So that's also going to come up. And I've done like a more like a, you know, easy fit for this one. It's not too fitted, but I mean, that's up to you. You can always dress it up the way you want. It's a fabulous dupatta for you to pick up. This is a bandhni one, and you know, all nice in this deep blue. Again, now when when I wear these, it'll be clear why we pick up a gold like this, because of course everything works on it. But trying new colors, you know, you want to try new colors, new silhouettes. Chinia silk is a good outfit for that. It's a good fabric for that, because you know, not too high, nice flow. Now I would totally love a combination like this. This is a rustish red with a bandhni dupatta. It looks good, you know, and like, look at how versatile it is. I'm going to show you some very heavy katans, but what I started was with also some linen dupattas, which also look really good. Now this next one is also linen. So look at that, and this is looking so very nice. This dupatta 18,800. This fabric, and look at the sheen of it. Okay, this is how chinia is supposed to be. This fabric is 3250 per meter, and you can just go for it together. And this is the look. I think the cooling is not enough. It's not getting cold at all. It's really hot here in Mumbai. I mean, where is spring? I'm always just wondering, where is the spring gone? I think North is still fortunate to have that kind of variation in season. Here it's all heat, guys. Anyways, look at this. I think it's just perfect, this whole combination. Now you want to kind of save on the budget, then you can do a, you know, you can do a plain bottom with it, or if you really want to elevate your look, go for a same on same. Now a same on same also looks amazing where you're doing like, you know, like a little flary outfit. So that's the one look that we had launched earlier, you know, I think 2-3 months back with this. Now look at that, this beautiful one. I think it just is so amazing. This whole look exactly won't like this. So that's the whole look. So this is the same on same combination. मैंने इसका black भी आपको दिखाया. And you know, if you like to wear it as a full gold look, this is your perfect dupatta. It's a very beautiful look with all of the meena, and it's a classic. You cannot go wrong with it. But you say that, you know, I love the dupatta, I just want to add a little more color, and you know, that's our job. We should give you options. So I'm also going to give you a really pretty option, and that's going to be this one. So look at that, here it is. So look at that, this is a very pretty combination. Look at that, I love this. So, you know, take your pick, go in contrast like this, go on a same like this. I think it looks absolutely ravishing both ways. Even this, I think it looks so very pretty together. So yeah, take your pick. Now from that, we're going to go on to some dupattas. Look at this combination. It's perfect for summers in every which ways. Okay, I'm going to go break it up a bit with this one stunning black dupattas. I did say that to you, that black looks amazing, and it does, because it's just that gold zari ka color. And remember that the thans, and I'm going to show you, okay, can I get the raw thans, okay, in white, in silver zari, in the small buta, big buta. And I also want to see just the, colors like which I want to just kind of show together. So I'm just prepping up. Give me a minute while the team is just setting up what's next in line. We kind of keep making it work the way you want to kind of, see. Now look at that. That's a very stunning, very beautiful one. Remember that any dyeable, जो भी fabric है, दुपट्टा है, जब वो dip होता है किसी भी dyeable means what? It can be dyed. मतलब it will be dyed. मतलब it will go in hot water, okay, with the color. Now when that happens, there is no way that we can say यार ये इस पे नहीं आएगा color. वो सब dip होता है. That's how it's going to be dyed, right? So of course, all dyeable fabrics will have the zaris, will also pick up the color. That is the most obvious way of kind of thinking, that there will be obviously that, like I'll show you the colors natural mein. Now that's a beautiful dupatta, isn't it? Anyways, now I'm showing you a raw piece in Chinia silk, and it's one of the very few first pieces that we have done, and this is silver zari. I will open it up. I want to do a gold and silver first. I just want to show it bare. So the thans come like this, okay? This is your Chinia silk in gold zari. This is silver zari. These are our latest motifs that we are making. We have made this in silver and we have made this in gold, okay? Now the moment you say you want this color, there it goes in water with color, in ultra hot water in fact, and gets dyed. When that happens, this color, this that you see, and this color, it goes also on this zari. Of course, it's going to be subdued. That's how it is. But that's the whole choice that you have to make, that whether you like that whole look, are you okay with the fact that it's a dyeable fabric? Because of course the price works out wonderfully. Also of course the fact that the base color gets matched completely, okay, which is not possible in Kattan at all times. And of course Kattan is 4,800 per meter plain. This is 3,250 with Buta. Yarn dyed Buta ones start about 5,000, 6,000. So it's a choice that you got to make. We have tons of both, so that's not a problem with us. But having said that, this has been dyed, this exact piece. Kabhi zari usme thodi ud jati hai, and darker colors will have a different experience. So that's something that you got to see. Like this is, do we have this color which has been dyed? Like do we have any sample of, there was that hot pink one, yeah, this one. Now I'll show you. Like it's not the same exact design, but you'll get what I'm trying to say. This is the undyed and this is the dyed. You will see that the same piece, once it dries, once it gets dyed, you will see that of course there is that whole zari mein, there is slight difference, but that's to be expected, okay? And it looks wonderful if you go for Kattan silk, dupattas even, zari colors there. Now look at that one. This is such a beautiful dupatta. I will come back to the motive options in dyeable, of course. That stunner, I think it's such a stunning color. I love this one. It's a beautiful blue, very, very fresh for this season. And then we will show you this. We'll show you this particular fabric with it, which is Chinia small buta, which has been dyed. All of them right now the same price. We may, as I said earlier, go for a price change in the bigger ones, but not yet. Nothing is planned now. So for now, you can get both the small. It's such a perfect same on same look. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो आप 5 मीटर लें. For a same on same, it looks really good. Now this is our dupatta. I've worn it, I think, in one of the night lives in a black, but it looks equally good if you're gonna go for like lighter colors. So you will see this is the dupatta with Sona Rupa. The first dupatta that I've worn, and I'm going to bring out the colors of that. Let's get out the colors, okay? That also looks really good. Usme Siv gold hai. So this is Sona Rupa, and that's only gold. So you can decide ki, which is the one that you kind of going to go for. I'm just showing you a sample one. Here it is. It's not exact same, but we just had it ready and we wanted to kind of show it to you together so that it's easier for you to visualize. Now stunning colors coming up next. Now look at this. So this is all gold. You can take either of the dupattas and you can see how lovely it looks. I mean, just look at the colors. They are just stunning. Now wear this with the red, wear this with the orange, wear this with the cream, wear this with the gold, or of course same on same. And when you wear the same on same, uska maza hi alag rahega. I love this color. It's so fresh. It's so great for this season. So think of all the events that you want to go for. Even wear it with white. And I am actually saying lots of prices. Can we have another white? Just like that. Okay, I'll just show it to you how it looks with the ivory. जो बेस होता है चिनिया का, yeah, this is good. जो बेस होता है चिनिया का, that is actually a little ivory. It's not white. It's a little ivory. So look at that. It looks really elegant with this as well. So you can do this kind of. I think it looks damn pretty. The fabric जो मैंने पहना है वो भी चिनिया सिल्क है, वो हमारे न्यूएस्ट मोटिव में है. It's called the New Gold and ये available है. Same fabric is available. Of course हमारे पास कुछ था है. If it gets over, it's in making. But this color can be done in any of your choices. I'm showing you now some stunning colors in this dupatta again, and you can recreate this look. In fact, इसमें एक यहाँ एक बूटा था जिसमें there was that touch of Meena. Yes, this one. I'll show you. This is another range, and this is a very pretty one, but it's got this exact same green. And that's why I want to kind of just show it to you. Oh, look at that. Here it is. So that's your whole look. I think it looks absolutely wonderful. Now look at that. You can definitely just wear it like that. You feel you're in the mood for wearing it with a green, like green base, you can do it. But I think it looks really pretty as it is. So these dupattas, 22,800. This fabric, now this one will be a different rate. I think this is about 4,800. So this is a different rate. This is very close. This is with Meena. So ये अलग है. But ये exact same cheese आप, you can have it with any of the dupattas that you want. And I can just show it to you right here. Now look at that. That's a black one. So lots of options for you to choose from in black. Go for a same on same. Look at that. Now that's how your black is looking. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that, the gold and black. But it's a very subtle soft one. It's not overwhelming in any which ways. It's a less width one. Wear all black, and that also looks perfect. So yes, I think a couple of last colors in this one. Again, a green which I am totally loving. And there are in fact two of them. So there are going to be two greens. And now what is that? Lots of things happening today. But yeah, now I think that's so elegant. Look at that. It really comes out best when you do a base color in this one. I think it's going to really bring out the beauty of this piece. And very, very subtle. It's a very fresh color again. So all of these dupattas up for grabs. Kind of get them. And मेरे पास कुछ colors हैं just of the thans, which I'm going to show you. Can I get like just a whole lot just to show the colors that we have? And this one. This is the green actually I was talking about. That's a very nice fresh green. ये थोड़ा सा dark है, but I think it looks ravishing. Okay, so all of these options जिनके साथ आप ये contrast पहने या same on same पहने, I'm just showing you dupattas. So that's the whole fun when you're doing the dyeable category. You can do any color, any combination in any meters, okay? That's also there. Now this, you say you want 8 meters, we'll do 8 meters for you. You say 6, 5, 4, 3, whatever. मतलब कहने का है कि सब कुछ possible है. Now we're just showing you beautiful colors which are already there in Chinia. Now I'm not going to open each one of these, but what I really do want to show you is like how the colors look, and they look so lovely. Like चाहे आप purple ले लें, like look at that. This one is more like a wine color. This is a brown color. This is like, look at that. This is a peachish color. So each has its own charm. Now if you say like a particular meter, this is very little. We're just showing you for the color reference that you can see. I like this. Here it is. Okay. Very, very nice. So really good and really nice, Look at that, how the color looks. So darker colors, of course, this will, they stand out in such a nice way. So that's always the fun. Okay, some more colors just for reference so that you can kind of say that, अरे मुझे ये color बहुत पसंद आया, वो dyeable दुपट्टा है, can you give me that combination? Yes, we can. Okay, now whether you're going to go for dark ones, surely go for lighter ones as well. Now in this lot, you'll see lots of beautiful colors. So I'm also going to get a, whole pictures done if it's not already, but I'm sure, it's all there in the process that you can just pick up any color and just like do your complete set with it. And you say that I don't want even like a very heavy dupatta, go for the tissue dupatta. Okay, this is a beautiful one because this is the other one that we dyed. So you'll see this is more creamish gold, this is a little greenish one. That's the new gold. Is this a champagne gold? Yeah, it's the champagne gold actually. So both are golds are like really popular. This one of course is a classic. Ye to naya introduce, it's a new introduction. So you can pick up either. Now the looks that they create. Now I'm gonna go for a red dupatta. Can we do that? Any of these colors in this one? Yeah, I'm gonna do a red look, and I'll go and show it to you with both the golds, and then you can say, because it's a classic, right? Like this one, this is a lovely, stunning dupatta. You can see it here. It's in Katan silk. Very nice. Okay. So this is one. It's an amazing dupatta, and then I'll show you this with a lighter gold. Okay, so that's your lighter gold look. This is a darker look with a slightly darker gold. Can we have the silver buta? Is that possible? It's so hot. I think there's something. No, the silver buta, like the natural color. Yeah, I just want to also show it to you. I don't think it's working. Is it working even? Anyways, but I want to show you with the silver buta because I think that would also look really nice. And there you go. So that's the silver buta, the big, bold, beautiful designs that we have. And now you can also go for this kind of a look. It's a very lovely one. So, in some dupattas, a lot of times we get a request, do you have silver based fabrics for the zari to match? And usme mujhe ye lagta hai ki, this would be a really nice one. So one dupatta I've shown you with 3 shades. This is a natural shade of chinia. I've done this darker gold, the one that I'm wearing, and then of course the one that you saw, which is the lightest creamish one. Okay, now there's this beautiful dupatta. Here you go, in georgette, such a stunning color. Look at that. Okay, really nice. And what we're doing is showing you lots of fabric colors, lots of dupattas, so that there is enough option for you. Now I don't think the blue is the same. No, almost same actually. Yeah, pretty close. Like I just had that blue, we saw it here, and just look at this combination, like look at it. And any dark color, when you're going to be creating a set, it's going to look as stunning as this one. I think so nice. These beautiful colors, color match, and of course lighter ka apna maza hai, darker ka apna maza hai, so you're going to go for any one of these. Now what we're going to go next is a whole range of these dupattas. Look at that. Okay, so these are the 21,800 dupattas, and I have these in georgette in some really nice stunning colors. Let's do all the available colors that you have of these one continuously. So I'm going to show you. Look at that. That's a really pretty one. What is it? It's like a really nice mango color, but it's got this sheen. You can see the whole thing. Ultra lightweight bani dupattas, tassels done, everything. Everything is there for this. And we're going to be doing some colors that are there, which are all ready to be shipped out today. Now look at this one. This is a georgette and really pretty. Here you go. So this is a georgette one that you can see right there. And this color typically, again, looks really nice with even a pink. You can even go for a pink one if you want to go for a darker, bolder look, or go for this. And we have like this. Okay. There you go. So we're going to go for one type only, not these. Okay, so I think, is that the last color? So we've done all the colors in this. These are the 21,800 pure georgette, full length, full width. Really amazing, lightweight dupattas that you can just be wearing anytime. Now look at that. There you go. So really good. In between, मुझे एक दो suits दिखाने हैं आपको. So I'm going to go on to the Munga suits. It's not a very long live. We're just going to be showing you things that will make it very simple for you to choose the look for the season. Not too much, definitely not too much. So this, I mean, we did a Munga set earlier, and we're doing a couple of them here right there. These are all 3-piece Munga sets. So you say, I like a suit set. It just kind of keeps it so much easier, and I like to do that. Now this one, it's a beautiful Munga. set 3-piece और इनमें मीना भी है, but what is so distinct is that it's got a silver zari and we've got nice amazing colors for this season. Munga is now, so Munga and Chinia both all season fabric, both need lining. One is more understated and earthy, you can see that here right there. Both pick up color very beautifully. And sheen bhi alag hai dono mein. So as I said, this is more earthy, understated, more flowy, more softer. Chinia is also soft, but in a very different way. So if you want to do a narkali, it will give you this nice soft folds. This will give you a little more fluid folds. But yeah, very good fabrics for this season. These come with plain munga, and you know, I think it looks absolutely amazing, all with silver zari. Ek aur suit tha, so I'm going to go for that one as well. And then we're going to go back, head to some dupattas. Let's do styling dupattas. Yeah, we have a couple of more suits which we want to show you, which are all like really good range, very different looks. Now, there you go. This one, really, really hot. A complete Munga silk suit for you. The next one is going to be this one, okay? So, there you go. This is the light blue. Or iske saath hi dekhiye. So, this is now we've switched on to another fabric which is linen, which is our linen is a composition with silk. Very, very popular. Looks good. No more blue. We've done too many blues. Okay, let's do some different color. Not more. Let's do a yellow. Okay, let's change the color tone, guys. Let's mix them up. Okay, so here you go. Now that's a linen suit, 3-piece. This is, you can see this entire buta all there in karwa. Very, very fresh option for the season. So, you know, like you want to dress up, you can go for munga, you can go for chinya, you can go for linen. All of these colors are great options for you. In between, thoda sa, we're just adding some little mix to it so that it's a little more fun. Now, this is a much sought after, okay, we'll do that. We're much sought after linen fabric, okay? So we're doing pretty much a mix today, of course, a lot of chinya, but so look at that. That's so pretty, so summery. This dupatta 15,800. This fabric, which is 4,800. Very last, I think, ek do koi cuts hai hamare paas. We don't have linen, but look at that. I think it's such a picture perfect combination to be going for it. Now, I in fact show you something. This is our chinia silk. You can see it here. It's a beautiful motif. Or iske saath, you know, iske saath, I have this lovely ombre dupatta, which is the 5,000. Oh, look at that colors, right? So this is the 5,800 wala dupatta. Even with this, I think you want to go make it a little more dressy, and I'm just raising it up so that you can get the full look. You can even go for this combination. It looks so nice. Look at that colors all bursting in the screen, you know, very, very pretty. Plain bottom, that is all you will need. Now, this dupatta, I have two colors. Let's do both the colors, okay? And this is a chanderi dupatta. Basically, the fabric, base fabric is chanderi, and it's really pretty. 22,800. I have two colors with it. Now we can do the same on same for both these colors. And ek mein main aapko sample dikhati hu. You know how it's going to look a same on same like this. Look at that. You get the whole picture. Again, a great you know, dupatta to be wearing when you want to kind of have it in a budget but makes it look dressy. It's so perfect. This whole combination right there for you. Okay, iska ek aur color hai. Isme I don't have it dyed. I will dye it for you if you say. Okay, dyeing takes about 3 to 4 days. If it's really urgent, then you let us know. But yeah, we can have them out very, very fast. What a full, complete look, and really nice and very different. Now you'll see. Okay, I want to show you this. It was the same piece, but because ye purple dye was, this starts to look slightly rosish, pinkish, and that of course remains gold and silver. So that's also with the color that's been dyed. If you ever find that that's, you know, like, you know, too much to tackle, then you have so many colors which are there right there for you to see, and you can kind of go for it. So there you go. Another ombre one which I wanted to show you. Perfection. What a lovely fresh color. It's so pretty. This one, 8125 for 2.5 meter, 5,800 for this dupatta. This is the ombre yellow, which means that you want to see this. But I love this color. What a fresh, lovely, beautiful shade of yellow. Look at that. Look at this. Perfection. Okay. And plain bottom अगर आप करते हैं, इसका match मुझे बताएं. 8125 plus 5625 plus 5,800. 8125. Okay, 5625. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, 5,800. So yeah, that is 24,050. So 24,050, and you get this lovely dupatta, this kurta, plain bottom, sab kuch, and you have such a season appropriate, perfect look for you. So you know, if you're going for full looks with a plain bottom, you know, that's your range starting from today, you know, for the sets today. And of course, in heavier dupattas, and we have, oh yeah, one more color. Lovely. I have one more color. So I've already shown you, I think 2-3 colors. We're also going to show you this. Each really, really pretty, really, really nice. Okay. Look at the, look at that. Absolutely amazing. अच्छा ये हमने मूंगा के साथ किया, right? So this we have done with मूंगा. Okay, so it's a great place to be because we can also show you मूंगा कैसा दिखता है. This is मूंगा and this whole look थोड़ा सा change हो जाएगा. You know, the price overall slightly because मूंगा is 3450 per meter. But I want to show you because I'm wearing it specially. So you look for understated elegance with zari. This is your pick. If you want a little sheen like the way I'm wearing it, then this is Chinia, 3450 per meter, 3250 per meter, both absolutely amazing. So iska 2.5 meter aata hai, 8625. You will see a look like this. It's going to be perfect on it as well. So yeah, okay, this is the last of ombre. We wanted to show you. We did make a lot of these, and a lot of these are going out. And I think particularly, you know, and I'm really surprised with this. I don't know what's the thing. We were really laughing about it. सारे यूके ही जा रहे हैं and it's like how come, you know, ombre is picked up so much in the United Kingdoms. Everybody from there is ordering. So we said, very good, you know, so that's amazing. You know, that's how I think it's also how, you know, the optics set out and, you know, how who watches what. But yeah, you know how that is with social media. But I think, yeah, generally very popular in the UK are these ombre. So yeah, there you go, here you go, and that's like a full complete, just stunning. Just look at the sunset colors, so amazing, so beautiful. Okay, now मैंने आपको बोला था this is like a starting range. I've gone even lighter. Okay, I've gone with a Kota silk, but what I want to really say is that this fabric is a great base whether you want to go for something as light as this, and look at how pretty it looks. थोड़ा सा अगर neck को इसको बस आपने highlight कर दिया तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. अच्छा, अगर suppose you say that, you know, मुझे ना ये color में 6 मीटर चाहिए. Now this may be only 2.5 meter. Then you can place your order and you can see the Buta options that we have for you in 6 meters when we dyed, and you can take it. So then we will dye that particular piece in this color because these are all of course size bound. Okay, तो अगर आपको ज़्यादा या जैसे भी चाहिए वो हम कर देंगे आपके लिए, but we will dye, we'll show you the motif. So yeah, motifs may change depending on where it is, but what a pretty one. And this is going to be, you know, I'll tell you the maths. It's going to be about 16,000 or so for the full pretty set. You know, Kota silk aisa set hai that, oh my god, I think this is the second, this really beautiful color. There was a very nice yellow. Kya baat hai, aaj itne sundar options hai in this, you know, sunset colors, and you know, they're amazing, each one of them perfect. Now look at that, that's a 14,800 ka dupatta. So you do the 13 and the 14, about 27,000 or so. You will have a very pretty combination, a full dressy suit. So on the lower end, you're looking about 16,000 for a full set. On the higher range, because dupatte bahut hai, and I'm going to go into showing you a few higher end dupattas because they also look amazing, and you can start from anywhere. We have all of these colors. Okay, so look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, amazing. मैं सोचा था I'll wear it with at the end because this is a beautiful katan silk. Now see, ideally you should wear a katan with it. Plain katan पहने या yarn dyed Buta katan पहने. That's 4,800 per meter. Will the zaris match in any of these dupattas and the fabrics? No, it will not match because it cannot match. They are made at different times, so you know all of that. They don't, you know, they're not made in the same way at the same time at the same place. All made on different looms by us. हमारे अलग-अलग looms हैं जहाँ हम ये बनाते हैं. So the zari का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. It's about a look that we are creating, and I know that this is subject. I think most of you are great with the whole look that we create, but if some of you have that whole urge की एकदम zari match होनी चाहिए, then remember the zari will never exactly match. And I'm the first one to tell you that, you know, you should not have ever any doubt as to what you're ordering. So if you want the zaris or if you have that thing, go for a plain katan, 4,800 per meter. It looks really beautiful. But to me, a chinia silk, a suit would also be great. So I leave it up to you. We can all have our preferences, and we can all be kind of catered to, because we have enough options. Now this is the most brilliant combinations. I love them because you can be wearing a Georgette dupatta. Okay, and I'm going to show you बहुत अलग-अलग type के Georgette dupattas. I'm showing you this. This is at a particular price point, which is going to be, I think, 28,800, and you can see how pretty it is. Okay, and this is really nice as a combination. So it really looks good with the gold. ये combination है, and this is so 3250 per meter मैंने जो पहना है, and this is 28,800. And now we're going to go on to let's do the different colors that we have. Now we're going to look at that. This one 24,800. So you can go for this range. Fabrics, तो मैं सिर्फ दुपट्टों का दाम बता रही हूँ आपको, and you can go for this one. The tassels done, they're beautiful, lightweight, like lot of zari in this. So that's the whole look of it. Then we're going to go for this, a Sona Rupa kind of a style in this that you can go for. This is also there, and you can see the whole very beautiful border right there, to give you that perfect look. And ये देखिए इसके साथ this one big bold design, very dressy, perfect for a dressy like a lehenga look or even a suit or an anarkali. Everything looks good with this. So that's one. We've gone on to Munga silk. Now look at that. It's a beautiful Munga dupatta. So I'm giving you choices now in dupattas that you can kind of pick up anyone that you like and find your way about it. We're here, of course, to help you complete that look, so that you feel that you've seen just the right amount. Not what a look. Now look at this. Again, typically some colors which look better when you contrast them out, like this one. Some look better when they're matched. So it depends. A lot about it is about how colors react to light and how much light they absorb, and so वो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. But हम हैं ये सब करने के लिए. For you all you have to do is pick up a look. So वो सोचिए कि वो कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पहनने वाले, and then go backwards. So once you've taught that, then it's very easy. Oh, this is where I'm going to wear this. Then it becomes like super simple for you to just pick up any one of these, and because I know that all of you are really clear कि ये event में मुझे ऐसा पहनना है. So I mean that's a good thing, because then you really have a clear picture. Now look at that. And if not, you're not somebody who's going to kind of create an image first, then even better, because for someone like you, we have always so much, because if you're coming with an open mind, आपने एक live देखा, you will find plenty of options to be finding your perfect piece. That's a very, very nice one. Okay, we're going to wind up. We're going to do the last. Do you want to show this? Okay, we're going to show. Let's do this katan, this red one. Okay, what we're going to do, this dupatta. Okay, stunner, and right here, and we do have some pieces, and they're all here for you. So we're just making sure that you've got the Meena ones, the Sona Rupa ones. Like for example, this one. This is all gold. So yes. So yes, classic combinations that you can never go wrong with. Dress them up, keep them simple. There's always a way of kind of wearing these. Now I was saying, do you have any chinya buta white option that you want to show? Then we can just kind of, yes. So I'll just very quickly show you. That's the one that I'm wearing. This is the particular option. Okay, and then of course we have newly introduced the big motifs, and I'm going to just bring them out again. And they're really good. 3250 per meter, silver lane, gold lane. The big ones really stand out. So but depends. Like some of you say that you want more subtle ones. So we have these for you. They're all the same price. Pick up the one that you want. Okay, I'll tell you the colors that we've done already in chinia. We've done a ruby red. We've done a champagne gold. We've done olive gold. We've done, this is the new gold. So we have so many colors, different shades of golds, all this. If you want a visual picture, just let us know and we will kind of show it to you. And I'm going to now, that's a very cute little one. Or मैं आपको, I'm going to close out with 2-3 dupattas, all which I think are stunning. And one of this combination, I want to show this combination because Look at this. I showed you a very similar color in Munga, and I want to also show it to you in Chinia. So similar color tha ekdam, and you will see the moment you see them, you will know ki yaar how the sheen differs, you know. Same colors, this has more sheen, that has less sheen, both looking very pretty at their place. I think this is such a perfect combination as well. This dupatta 10,800, it's a no tassel look. This one very nice, very fresh green. There you go. Now look at that. This is a dupatta that I was just showing, जो मैं अभी दिखा रही थी आपको. जो भी motive उसमें से किसी के साथ भी पहने आप, or even, you know, as I said, just go for the silver look. It's going to be really pretty. These dupattas, what a gorgeous shade. Actually, it's a very different kind of a pink, so very nice. And the whole look is of this design right there, you know, Sona Rupa, and very pretty. So I think we did 2 shades in this. I think done. We showed everything that we wanted to show. I'll show this last look and the last piece, and that's going to be the stunner, because of an obvious reason that it kind of just stands out so much on a base color of gold. You can do a same on same, but when you wear something as special as this, ultra lightweight, the most beautiful weave, it's a Sona Rupa Karwa Katan silk dupatta. But what is stunning about it is the lightness of the piece. You know, it's just air. For something which requires this much weave, just look at this. This much weave, it is absolutely brilliant to be worn, and so much ease there, like zero effort. And let's show you this. I'm just kind of wrapping it around for you to see the whole look. And this is from our premium range of Katan silk dupattas, and there you go. So thank you so much for joining in. It's amazing to be showing you all of these beautiful colors. Fresh day, fresh video for you to see. Catch your content today and place your order on WhatsApp. Remember, हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं. It's the season of celebration, and wherever you are, anywhere in the world, okay? Be it the UK, US, Canada, India, of course. You know, India में the cash on delivery भी है, so that's also an additional option. Many of you coming home, so it's a great time to kind of you know, send it to your families and relatives, your pieces, so that they are ready once you're here. And yes, for everybody else who's going to be outside India now, have these pieces, and you know, something like this, you can have it as soon as 5 days in your hand. So go for it now. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I will see you